EZShift is a complete scheduling solution. It understands your organization's needs and helps you create a schedule, saving a lot of money and time. EZShift has two main interfaces: the employee website, which can be accessed from anywhere, and the manager's interface, where you make the schedule. The first platform is your employee website. This is where they can submit their availability, view their shifts, see the entire schedule, request for trades, use the internal mail system to communicate, and much more. The other platform is the manager's interface. EZShift is based on a smart rule engine, which can help you generate an automatic schedule, can assist you in manual scheduling, and helps you eliminate mistakes. Another value of having EZShift installed is the comprehensive and friendly user interface. When creating a schedule, we need a software that can completely understand our needs. If we generate an 80% complete schedule and still have to adjust the rest ourselves, then we haven't really done much, because as you know, adjusting one element will affect other elements, which will lead to recreation of the entire schedule. EZShift is smart and simple, as we're about to see. It's ideal for medium and large schedules, all the way from 50 employees to 1,000. You can see all your employees and the entire schedule on one screen and adjust it to your preferred view. It's fast and efficient. So let's see how it works. This is the first page the manager sees upon logging in. On the left side, we have some settings and the reports. On the right side, we have our employees database, our templates, our messages, and the special requests. At the top, we have buttons that each one represents a schedule. We can go into the future and plan ahead, or we can go into past schedules and see what we did. Let's go into employees. In our employee database, we can see all our employees lined up, each one in a different row. We click here to go into the employees' positions. We can assign different positions and skills, such as manager, assistant, or any position you set up to each employee. As you can see, we have a primary and a secondary position. EZShift has two types of rules, a hard rule and a soft rule. The system will never break a hard rule, but will try not to break a soft rule unless it has no other choice. This is an example for a soft rule. The system will try not to schedule someone for their secondary position unless it has no other choice. In case we need to add a specific rule, we can apply them to groups such as Spanish speaker or people that live far away and assign employees to those groups. Let's start scheduling. To do so, let's go into the next periods board. This is our schedule board where we create our schedule. At the top, we have a few buttons that I will explain about later. In the middle, we have the list of all our employees. And below, we can see our period, which in this case is a week. Each day in our week is built out of the shifts that we set. In this example, there's a morning shift, an evening shift, and a night shift. Each shift is divided to the different positions, showing how many vacant spots to be scheduled. When creating the schedule, we need to know 5 main features. First, it's dragging an employee. We can go and take any employee and just drag them onto the shift we want to schedule them. If we make a mistake or break a rule, the system will alert us and tell us exactly what we did wrong. As a manager, you can approve the breaking of the rule. Once you're ready, all you have to do is click on Make Schedule. Now the schedule will run and assign all the employees to the different positions. This process is a few minutes long. It calculates all the different scenarios, taking into consideration all the rules and policies that we have set, including historical schedules, employees' availability, skills and positions, special rules, and much, much more. Let's fast forward a little bit. When scheduling is done, the first thing that comes up is the checkup box. This is where the system tells us which rules were broken. Remember that the system cannot break hard rules, only soft rules. If we click on a specific line, we see exactly where it happened. The first line is the rule we broke with the manual scheduling, and the second line is a soft rule of secondary skill. Let's recap for a second. Up until now, out of the 5 main features, we saw manual dragging of an employee, we saw automatic schedule, and we saw the checkup. Next, we click on an employee. What happens is the board darkens and that employee's shifts are highlighted. The color next to each shift represents the availability of that specific employee, which, as you recall, they submit on the website. Green is available to work, yellow is prefers not to, and red is cannot work. We can see the last important feature by clicking a specific shift. If we need to assign a different employee, all we have to do is choose from the list. The colors represent the compatibility of the employees to work that shift, based on all the policies, the rules we set up, how many shifts they're already working, and their availability. You can either click a name or go to the name at the top and drag them onto the shift. The system will offer to replace them with one employee or to enlarge the shift and add them. We went over the 5 features of creating a schedule: employee drag and drop, automatic scheduling, checkup, the options we got by clicking an employee, and the options that we have by clicking a shift. When we are ready to publish, all we have to do is click on Publish, and your schedule is done.
EZShift, making scheduling easy. Contact us and learn how EZShift can help you.